All right, just got a new package. Let's open it together. Welcome to a new episode of Moneda Republic. Today we're gonna unbox this package I just received. I like first of all to thanks to all my friends and family and subscribers to support the channel, and also I like to give a special thanks to Revenant Coins. This is package I just won in a giveaway. I know it's gonna be something beautiful inside, and I'd like to share that with you. So really a big shout out to Revenant Coins for giving to the community and also to help to grow everybody's channel. So let's open this together. Let's see what is inside. All right, so this looks pretty tight. Let's see if I can do it right. Hey, here it comes. This thing is very heavy. All right. Right here we got a thank you very much for the sticker. Love it. Right here and here. It's very heavy, so it's very difficult to take it off. There we go, guys. This is the monster brick and pour copper that I won the giveaway. This thing is heavy, huh? So that's beautiful. That's one of my first. So that's gonna be definitely something I love and keep with me forever. I just once more I'd like to thank everybody for being with me today, to supporting the channel, all my friends and family, and also again thank you Revenant Coins for this beautiful gift. We are at the end of this episode of Moneda Republic, friends, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, turn on the little notification bell, and smash the like button. Until next time. Ciao!